You need to hear this if you're a food lover. This recipe is going to take your taste buds on a journey. We're combining the smoky, rich flavors of BBQ with the savory, umami notes of Chinese cuisine for a summer feast you won't forget. Intrigued? Let's dive in and get cooking. First up, gather your ingredients: pork or chicken, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and pineapple chunks. Freshness is key to making this dish pop. For the marinade, mix soy sauce, garlic powder, and ginger powder. You can also add a touch of honey for sweetness and a splash of rice vinegar for tang. Let the meat soak up those flavors for at least 30 minutes. The longer, the better. Next, soak wooden skewers in water to prevent burning, then thread on the marinated meat and veggies. Alternate the meat and veggies for a colorful presentation. Time to fire up the grill. Preheat to medium-high, brush with oil and grill those skewers for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally to ensure even cooking. Brush on BBQ sauce for that extra kick. Make sure each skewer is well coated for maximum flavor. Now let's prep some Chinese fried rice. This will be the perfect side dish to complement our BBQ skewers. Scramble eggs, add cooked rice and mixed veggies, then stir in soy sauce and sesame oil. You can also add a dash of white pepper for a bit of heat. Easy, right? Serve up your smoky BBQ skewers with that savory fried rice. The combination of flavors is simply irresistible. Enjoy your ultimate summer BBQ Chinese food combo. It's a fusion feast that brings the best of both worlds to your plate. Delicious and fun. What more could you ask for? Gather your friends and family and make this summer one to remember with this amazing recipe. The sizzle, the aroma, the taste, every bite is a celebration of summer. Pair it with a refreshing drink to complete the experience. Cheers to good food and great company. As the sun sets, enjoy the warm glow of a perfect summer evening with this delightful meal.
Forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.